So I'm headed into the city, gonna go take some photos somewhere. Don't know where yet. I was just here. So I was there, last map, somewhere over there. Came around, headed down that way now. Here we have a street racing victim, but that hurt. Just at 20K, and still gotta head back now. Once upon a time, this road went across here. Then they took it out and put train tracks in, and everyone lost their backyards. It's pretty crazy. No thanks. I'm back. It was 31K, pretty good. Gonna check over the pictures now. Maybe post them up. In case anyone was wondering, I've been trying to take a picture a day and upload it to Instagram. So, I just finished editing the photo I got today during my ride. So head on over to Instagram and check it out. Let me know what you think.